You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Cooking with Jack show, Jack Scalfani here. Today's episode brought to you by All American Water. You've heard me reference them before. They're the ones who saved me when I moved to Tennessee. That prevented me from getting kidney stones again because we came to Tennessee. We needed to clean the harsh water that they have here. And literally, no problem. I went with All American Water. The whole house is filtered. It took all the bad stuff out of the water. Crystal clear water. Your skin's soft after showering. We love it. All American Water, thank you for sponsoring the show. All right, guys. Now it's story time. I got to lead up to this. Why am I doing this? So, Tammy and I, years ago, we went and visited Aunt Myrna, who you know from the show. And Aunt Myrna told me the gaminess in venison, that metallic taste you get. Okay. She said, put it in cold water in your refrigerator overnight. The water will pull the blood out of the meat and it'll taste just like beef. So we did it. It worked. I'm like, that is so weird. So I have the same problem with liver. Liver has a metallic taste, probably due to the blood from the animal. This is chicken liver. So the experiment today, will it work with liver? Can I pull all the blood out before I cook the liver? Last time I ate liver, I threw up. So today may be exciting, but let's soak this overnight. So really tomorrow be more fun. Let's soak this overnight, see if we can draw the blood out. It's basically an experiment. Then I'll cook the liver, and I promise to eat it in front of you. Ugh, I hate liver. I don't even know why I'm doing this. But I truly believe Aunt Myrna's tip will work on this too. So we'll find out. All right, guys, there it is. In all its glory, it's already pooling blood. I haven't put the water in yet. So let's put some water in there and see. Make sure all the meat is submerged. This is the same thing you do with venison. But I know it works on venison because I've done it. All right, so you can kind of see it is, oops, sorry. Didn't mean to move it out of shot. You can kind of see it's cloudy a little bit already, but let's see how it looks in the morning, okay? All right, guys, so I want to address a few things. Number one, this is the second batch of water. We rinsed it out this morning, put new water in, it got bloody again. So hopefully it drew out most of the blood. So we will take out the liver, season it up, pop it, and roast it, okay? All right, so we're going to season. We're using a new seasoning too from Monument Grills. They sent me their seasoning for beef, so hopefully it's good. All right, guys, there it is in all its glory. It cooked up beautifully, seasoned. I haven't had this in 20 years. And when I did, I threw up. I remember I was a lot younger, a lot more not as daring as I am today. So I'm going to try this again today. We soaked it to pull some of the gaminess out of it. We're going to see if that helps the flavor of liver. All right, here we go. For all the glory, let's try it. The experiment worked. It still has a horrible texture, mushy in your mouth, like somebody had chewed it for me. But the gaminess is gone. The metallic blood, the iron, I don't know what it is. But whatever is in the liver has been removed. Now it just feels nasty, but it tastes okay. Surprisingly.